Hello curious, welcome to my channel. I have finally bought the DOONA and I can't wait to really touch it because there's no way you can really look at a DOONA in a store here in Germany. We've tried to really touch one. I have a small energy window. Pregnant women, if you feel me, let me know in the comment section. So long story short, I have this energy window and let me quickly do this unboxing. So I bought it with my money, nobody sponsored me. I was expecting DOONA to do Black Friday. I wrote them on Instagram, DOONA Germany. If they do Black Friday, they say no, they don't do Black Friday. Like, which company can afford not doing Black Friday? DOONA Germany, because I heard of Belgium. You buy one car and you get a second one for free in Belgium. That's Black Friday. DOONA does not do Black Friday. Like, it says a lot already about it. They are doing well. So I wanted to buy a second-hand one because it's not cheap. Let's not lie to ourselves. To be honest, it's not cheap. So it's 400 euros, and then the ISO fixed base is 150. Do the math. For a car seat, like, okay. And I also read that even people in the public transport, they really use DOONA because it's tack tack. You are open, you are closed, and you are good to go. So I tried buying a second-hand one. But here's the thing, they were so used and they are sold from 250 euros to 350. Sometimes there are some accessories like a rain cap, those kind of things, but it is 250, the cheapest I found, and I still have to drive there or pay shipping for a second-hand thing. And most of the women say, I use it for all of my children. But you have to change the wheels. So the wheels, you are paying 50 euro for it, isn't it? So I had no choice but to buy a new one if I wanted to have the quality and have all something for my money. Because yes, so I was waiting for Black Friday so I can do a bargain. DOONA does not do like, I still can't wrap my hand around a company not having Black Friday sales. Like, anyways, so here we are. Oh, hello, hi, how am I doing? I'm sometimes extra. So there's a new version. It's called, I think it's Midnight or something. It's all black, and then you pay 100 euro more. It looks so stylish. But it's just the same function, different color. And why should I pay 100 euros more? Why? So I was not that crazy. Here up it said European certified car seat and stroller, or EU certified. And then it's anti-rebound protection, handle enhances protection, side impact protection, double wall shell structure, security is everything. Like, who doesn't want to be safe? Or who does not want her or his child to be safe? I don't know anybody. Face safe mechanism. That's sure, like, it's ideal. It's dummy proofed. Baby safe material. What I was talking about is very important. And then you come up here. I think their slogan is parenting made simple. That's for me. Aircraft approval, very, very important. Like, you can just use it to do to fly. Like, okay, once we are allowed to fly again. Complementary, very important for us here in Germany is TÜV tested. Like, Germany also does its certification and security approval. On the front, one simple motion operation, higher safety and quality standards. Oh, That's my language. I love that kind of language. Ideal for families on the go. I am always on the go. Even if I'm not on the go, I will pretend to be on the go. Free up the trunk of your car. Very, very important. Like, not everybody has an SUV. Approved, certified, EU standard, blah, blah, blah. On the other side, sun canopy with UV protection, multi-position handle, so you can store it around here. Accessories, quick connect, fail-safe mechanism, 5-pond harness. Like if you don't have an ISOFIX base, it's also nice to be using that. And double action brakes, swivel wheels, so they are really movable. High durability wheels, high durability. So that's what I'm saying. Women use them from 2-3 kids, and yeah, it's from. Yes, and I forgot to tell you people, buying a car seat second hand is not recommended. Like, once you have an accident with the car seat, you have to change it. It's just like your bicycle, your head protection. Once you have an accident, you have to change it. So you can't really know if the one you are buying second hand had an accident before, even if it is a minor one. Again, safety first. So I am feeling the pain of my current. I'm not going to lie. I'm a cheap person and I'm a bargaining person. So when I wait for Black Friday, they tell me there is no Black Friday. Please, mourn for my 400 euros. And let me tell you people, I even bought the ISOFIX. Like, But let's open this bad boy right now. Let it begin. Please, I don't want to be disappointed. I don't want to be disappointed. But I'm excited though. Okay. Ta-da! Oh, that looks great already. Knife, you've done your job. Can you see that? Yes. And the packaging is quite safe. Like, they make sure you go away. My energy levels. Let me quickly do this to canine. So here it is said it is 5 kgs, which I do not believe. Like, it feels heavier than 5 kg, but maybe it's just for the shipping. So it's already like completely built up, but it's heavy. It's heavy, but I don't mind. Like, how long are you going to? Oh, that was heavy. Like, how long are you going to be carrying it? It has wheels. So, oh, knife, sorry, you are still on duty. I think now you are fired. Woo! Baby DJ. What's that? They're already doing advertisement for the next leaky strike from 10 to 36 months. Okay, and that's actually what people mostly say. They say till highest 10 months you can use it. And then the accessories, they're also selling accessories. They want you to buy the winter cover, the foot muff, hand lever covers. Those are miscellaneous. Ooh. Oh, the stuff is so soft. So that with the bamboo. Oh, okay, I'm not disappointed so far. I'm impressed, but like this is a hanging thread. No, I don't like it. This should not be happening, DOONA. Really not. So this was hanging like that. There's a lot of paper. user guide. But I think it's intuitional to use it, so who reads that? I will figure it out myself. Let me sit down, people. I'm not even going to pretend. I am not going to pretend. So there is this bamboo charcoal fiber. Then I'm happy because there are a lot of toxic, and I forgot to tell you people, most of the time when we buy things, especially from China and whatever, there's this chemicals and nothing. Like, I'm not sending anything weird. Like, nothing. I am impressed. I'm sorry, but I am impressed. So, read the instruction, Dominique. Vehicle seat protector. I wanted to buy one, but it's good that it comes in it. Oh, European Photo Design Award. For the protection or for the DOONA? Protector or for the DOONA? Whatever. I have to do it. I just have to do this. I'm weird, people. Have grace with me. This is the second one. Oh God. So, wow, I'm not mad. I am not mad. Like, it's gray and like, I'm not mad. I think they are for different things here. Wow. You are going to make friends. A newborn. I am actually really impressed. Like, but I still feel it's not worth €400. It could be cheaper. Now there is this new eye size standard where you can lay the child. So I was really thinking of another alphabet with Britax, but the real situation, which I have to try right now. I think you. Oh, okay. And I was afraid it was going to be too low because I'm not a very short person. Ooh. Okay, okay. It is long green. Yes, the wheels are really new. Oh, that's smooth. I'm impressed, people. I'm really impressed. Does not stink. The next thing. Wow. Let's see how. Why are you not? I know. Is it all you got? But it's plastic though. It's like, it's really plastic. The idea was a dollar printing idea. Why can't it? Ah! Sick. How do they call it? Fail-safe mechanisms. Dominique, if it is not on the right position, it's not going to extend. You see me? You do not want to read the instruction, Dominique. You do not want to read the instruction. So, okay, it's fine. Like, I'm okay with it. Yes. I think we can do this. Woo. But I'm impressed, really. This charcoal fiber or whatever thing it is, you open the box and there's nothing coming your way, like poof, it's not sending new, what do you call it? It's new, that's why it's sending no. And we've already proved the dummy mechanisms. But I'm impressed. I love that. I like it. I like it. And it's really smooth, y'all. It's really smooth. And there's also this function where you can go like this and stroll away with your child, which is low, but I have a higher stroller. But when you're on the go, you have to bend, which is not working right now. So I'm happy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I recommend it. Like, if there's one item you want to spoil yourself with, there's no mean buying this secondhand. You get maybe 80 euros or 100 euros cheaper, but if you are a DOONA fan and you want a DOONA, I'm impressed. Bye.